back to another Vlogmas video. If you're new here, go click that subscribe button and turn your post notification bells so you know when I post a new video. So today, as you guys can tell by the title, since it is Christmas time, I have been in the mood to make some Christmas cookies for you guys. I went to the store and I got some Betty Crocker sugar cookies. I'm not really a sugar cookie fan. I don't really make sugar cookies, but today is a different day. And then I have some cookie cutters for you guys. I have a Christmas tree, a candy cane, reindeer, what is this called again? What's this called again? Oh, a stocking. A stocking, a gingerbread man, and a snowflake. So I'm going to be making all different shapes of sugar cookies for you guys, and I'm just gonna let you guys watch me make it, watch me bake. I'm in the Christmas spirit. Christmas is my favorite holiday. So if you're ready to see how these sugar cookies come out, go click that like button. Okay, so it says that I need, so there's two different options on here. It says for drop cookies and for cutout cookies. So I'm gonna do the cutout cookies because I am assuming this is what this means, like cutting it out, you know. So it says I need 3 tablespoons gold medal all-purpose flour, 1 stick or a half cup of butter melted, and then 1 egg. So then I need to preheat my oven to 375. Okay, so it says that I need to put this cookie mix and stir it with the flour. So that's what I'm gonna do first. Okay, so now we need 3 tablespoons of flour. So next, what does it say? Stir, then add butter and egg. Okay. Okay, so now that that's stirred, we're going to add melted butter. I'm gonna put this in a cup, melt that, and pour it in here, and then put the egg in, and then mix that. Oh my god. It literally popped in the microwave, guys. I don't think I've ever made sugar cookies like this before, guys. I've only made like the pre-dough, you know, the ones with like the Christmas trees on it. I've only made those before, but I don't think I've ever made this. So hopefully this comes out good. Okay, so now once all the ingredients are in the bowl, you're gonna stir until it becomes a soft dough. Let's stir it like this. This is looking a little dry. Is this how it's supposed to be? I don't know. Look how it's coming out, guys. Is this normal? What's a soft dough? Like what does that look like? Because I don't know. What's a soft dough, Mom? Okay, now I need, I guess this is it. I don't know. We're just gonna go with it. But now I need to have a floured surface, and then I need to roll my dough out. I don't know if this is gonna roll. It's kind of looking a little off to me. But we're gonna go with it. Okay, so this area is already cleaned and sanitized. So I'm just gonna put some flour on it. I don't know how much to do. Is that too much? Okay. Now I'm just gonna put all this. Is this what it's supposed to look like? Why is it breaking apart?
It's not like like pizza dough.
But it said to roll it. Okay, is this normal?
Yeah, it is. It looks like regular cookie dough. Just a little rough.
It doesn't need to be like attached to it, right? Because it's just.
No, yeah, you're pushing down.
Yeah.
With the cutter.
My mom needs to help me, guys. Clearly, I don't know what I'm doing. That's good, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Back in business. Oh, oven's ready. Okay, so I guess this is how it's supposed to come out. Now I'm going to get the cookie cutters. I'm gonna do all the shapes just so I can see how each one comes out. Okay guys, so this is how they came out. Not too bad. Look at this one. A little demented. It's okay, we fix him. But yeah, this is how it came out. Not too bad. I kind of expected worse. Okay guys, while the cookies are finishing baking, I'm going to move on to the icing to decorate my sugar cookies. All you're gonna need is some powdered sugar, some light corn syrup, which I don't know why, but whatever. Light corn syrup, vanilla extract, and some milk. The only milk that I have is oat milk, so hopefully this works the same. I don't know, we'll see. Like I said, I've never made this before. It is what it is. I just want you guys to join me in this little vlogging and cooking with me. That's it. You're gonna need 2 cups of powdered sugar, which I think is a lot. Low-key, I might dim it down and like eyeball this because I don't need, I have like literally 5 cookies, so we'll see. So clearly those weren't the right eyeballing measurements because it's a little thick, but I'm just gonna add more milk. Okay, so it's definitely working a little bit better. I don't know if you can see. Look at that. So this is the consistency that I kind of like. It's like thick but loose at the same time. You see? Because you want it to still like glide on your cookie, but you don't want it to like run down your cookie, if that makes sense. So I think this is perfecto. Oh my god, I forgot about the cookies. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I low-key forgot about the cookies. So they're not burnt, but they're a little brown, if you know what I mean. So look how they came out. They're not burnt, but they're like, you know, a little too brown, but it's okay. So I'm just gonna let them sit and cool for like 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna ice them and decorate it, and you guys are gonna see how they all turn out. Okay guys, so this is how my cookies came out. Clearly, I'm not a good decorator, and I filled it with straight sprinkles because, you know, life is better with sprinkles. I love sprinkles, but it's not that bad. Honestly, it's really not. These are my sugar cookies. Alright guys, so I just showed you, but these are them. Let me put them down before they all fall. But that's about it for this video. I just wanted to take you guys baking with me, making some Christmas cookies, get in the Christmas spirit. But that's about it for this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below what else you want to see from me. Don't forget, it is Vlogmas. So I will be posting every day for the month of December. And hopefully every day after that as well, since I'm in the routine anyway. So if you're new to my channel, go click that subscribe button. And thanks for watching, guys.